Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, why there is only 19 participants today? Where are the others?
Morning, ma'am.
UKGB, what happened? Only 19 participants? Yes.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, Mohammed Syed, you are in the garden, out in the open today. You're having a outside. Badri Deepak, turn on your camera upside. It is upside down. Badri's mummy put the camera is ulta. Vedic Vinod, turn on your video. Then Manha, turn on video. Vedic Vinod. Parents, if you want to join the session with the other class, you have to join on time. Some of them are just and they are joining the session towards the end. So that you will be missing classes. That's why I asked you to join the next session. Okay. So see to the time if you can, you want to change the timing and attend. Some of you are finding difficulty due to having sick. So you can do so, but make sure that you join the session from the beginning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children. Good morning. So, good morning, all. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, you're fine. Okay, happy to see you all. Okay, now let's begin the session with a prayer.
Fine.
Okay, are you ready? Yes. Let's
Yes,
begin our
sir.
sessions with the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Okay. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus, the people treating them. We ask thee to bless the world and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everyone. Yes. So, are you ready for the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
John
ma'am.
Paul, I can see your ceiling fan. Where are you? I cannot see you. Yes, your ceiling fan is attending the class. Aaron, please adjust. Aaron's mummy, please attend the, put the camera down. I cannot see the child. I can see only the wall. Manha Fatima, turn on your video. Liz Maria, Jonna Michael Joshi, please turn on your videos. You are all without the videos. I want to see the child. Jonna Michael, Liz Maria, turn on your video. Aaron's mummy, please keep the camera a little down. I cannot see the child. I cannot see your child. I can see only his head. Okay, children. So it's nice to see you all. Okay. So shall we sing, revise the rhymes which we learned? Today what we are going to do is, we are going to revise the first term rhymes. Okay. Yes, what are the three rhymes we learned? You have to by heart only these three rhymes. One is apple a day. Second one is Old MacDonald. And the watermelon papaya song. Only those three you have to by heart for this step. Okay. Then the others, you have to sing. If you love to sing the other words, if you want to sing it along, you can sing those songs. That is to improve your vocabulary and the language. It's for language building. Okay? Yes? So
Yes,
shall we sing
sir.
the rhyme? Watermelon papaya. Yes. Everybody, I want to sing with ma'am. Okay? Here we go.
Yes, sir.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, yum, 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 yum. Now I want all my girls to sing first. All my girls stand up. Parents, make your girl child stand up. Boys, wait. I will be giving you the second chance. All my girls stand up. Yes, ready. We are going to do it with action. Ready? I'm giving you all the fruits. Let's take watermelon now. Ready? Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chiku, 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 chiku. Fruit salad. Make a fruit salad. Fruit salad. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yes, that was nice. Sit down. Now all my boys stand up. Let's also make the fruit salad. Muhammad Aideen, Richard. Yes, stand up. Arnav, Ada, Anthony, Naiju, Mohammed Syed, Aldrin. Stand up, all the boys. Who is still sitting there? Ready, everyone? Yes, here we go. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya.
Chiku, chiku,
Chiku, chiku, chiku, fruit salad. Make fruit salad, fruit salad. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. I know you all know this fast food. Yes, let's do it together. Everybody, boys and girls, together. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya,
chiku, 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 chiku,
fruit salad,
fruit
salad. Yum, yum, yum,
yum,
yum, yum. Yes, that was nice. Okay, thank you. All sit down. Now, let's sing the song which you all know. Apple a day. Ready? Here we go. Apple a day. Sense doctor. Children, what I will do is I'll mute you. Okay, so parents, please check if your children are singing with me. Okay, so that it is audible to everyone. They can sing along with me. Okay, see to that they are singing with correctly with me. Okay, ready? Here we go. Apple a day sends doctor away. Apple in the morning. Doctor's warning. Roast apple at night. Stops the doctor outright. Eat an apple going to bed. Knock the doctor on the head. 3 each day. Sing with me. 7 days a week. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. I want everybody to sing. Andrea is singing. Ethan is singing. There are few children who is doing action. Rasha, Rashid. Yes, but others are sitting there and playing. Adna, Sunil, don't do that. Okay. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, start. Here we go. Apple a day sends doctor away. Apple in the morning. Doctor's warning. Roast apple at night. Stops the doctor outright. Eat an apple going to bed. Eat an apple going to bed. Knock the doctor on the head. 3 each day. 7 days a week. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Rudy apple, Rudy cheek. Okay? Yes. Now let's sing the Old MacDonald. Everybody together. Ready? All have to sing. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Put your hands up. Mohammed Syed, I can see many of you not moving your lips. If you're not going to sing, I'm not going to sing with you. I will stop. You're not interested? Please sing, everybody. There are many children who are doing it lovely. Everybody, here, 1, 2, 3, start. What's the song? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. In his farm he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. In his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. In his farm he had some cats. E-I-E-I-O. Cats. Okay? E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. 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 Okay. So are you ready? Yes. Are you ready for the session? Yes. So I know you're all singing with me, and it's lovely to see all of you, my children, singing along with me. Okay, and I'm happy for that. Now, children, today Nancy ma'am has come with 2 more wild animals. We are going to learn about 2 omnivore animals. Now, what is omnivore animal? Omnivore animals means the animals which eat both meat and plants. The other day ma'am said there is carnivorous animal which will be eating only meat. Lion only will eat the meat. It will not eat fruits and vegetables. Okay. So they are called carnivorous. There are a few animals which will eat only leaves and grass. What are they? Herbivorous, like giraffe, zebra, deer. All these animals will eat only the green leaves and grass. Yes, so they are called herbivores. But you know one more thing, there are few animals, they will eat both of this. If they get meat, they will eat meat. If they get plants, they will eat plants. If they get fruits, they will eat fruits also. Everything they see, they will eat. They are called omnivorous animal. And Slayer. Okay, so one such animal is this. What is this animal? This is a, what is this animal? You see someone here, who is this? Bear. Who is this? A bear, okay? Bear. Bear is an omnivore, okay? Omnivore. It will eat fish, it will drink honey, it will eat fruits, it will eat fish, meat, okay? The meat of other animals, it will eat, okay? So bear is an omnivore animal. And what is the young one, baby bear, called? You know what is baby bear called? Baby bear is called cub. What is baby bear called, Shivada? It's called cub. Okay. And you know where does bear live? Bear will live in a cave or den. Okay. It lives in a den or cave. Okay. In dark places where the stones are arranged in a dark areas. They live in the cave. Okay. And the baby is called the cub. So that is about the bear. Shall we sing that teddy bear song? Everybody, stand up all of you. Let's sing that teddy bear song. Are you ready? We'll sing that song. Teddy bear, stand up. You're all teddy bears. Are you ready for becoming a teddy bear? All my children are teddy bear. Parents, ask your children to stand up fast. We don't have time. Okay. Fast, fast. Everybody. Yes, here we go. Anthony Naiju is not standing. You are sitting coolly on the chair. Is that you're not listening? Everyone, Liz Maria, please turn on your video. Shivada, Shadish, turn on your video. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Teddy bear. You are the teddy bears. I am Nancy Teddy Bear. You are, call your name and you say you are the teddy bear. Okay, here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Turn. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Go touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Polish your shoes. Teddy bear is polishing his shoes. Polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Teddy bear is going to the school. Let's do it one more time. Teddy bear, turn around. Turn, Ahlam, you're sitting. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Polish your shoes. Polish. Rida? Teddy bear, off to school. Teddy bear is going to the school. Yes, let's do it one more time. Sing with ma'am. Teddy bear, turn around. You call the name teddy bear. Parents, ask your children to say teddy bear. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Touch touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Yes, teddy bear is going to the school. Okay, thank you everyone, sit down. So we have done with bear, okay? So bear is an omnivore animal. Its baby is called cub. Okay, it lives in den or cave. Okay, now see I've got another friend. He's not a friend. He lives wild. He lives in wild, and he's a cunning animal. Who is this? Who is this animal? I've got an animal. Who is this? This is the fox. Who is this animal? He is the fox. Doesn't he look like a dog? He also has got a tail. He has got ears. He has got eyes. He's got nose. He's got a mouth, sharp teeth inside. He's the cunning animal. Yes. And he is also called the omnivore animal. He's called the omnivore. He's called the omnivore. It slightly resembles a dog. He looks like a dog. Now tell me, where does a fox live? He lives in a den or cave, like the lion, like the tiger, like the bear. He also chooses to live in a den or cave, okay, dark places. He loves to live in the dark. Okay, so this is how we call it. Fox is an omnivore animal. It slightly resembles a dog. He looks like a dog, but he is not a dog. Okay, the young one is called cub. Okay, young one is called the cub, and he lives in a den or cave. That's all about the fox and the bear. Okay, shall we repeat? Are you ready, parents? When I'm saying, ask your children to repeat after me. Okay, each sentence when I'm telling, ask them to repeat. Okay, I'm not keeping you, I'm not unmuting you. The reason is it's a jam there. You will not be able to hear what I'm telling. So that's why I have done it. I'm seeing their lips. I can see them, their lips, they are moving. But I want you to check if they're saying it correctly. Please do it for me. Thank you. Here we go. Children, repeat. Fox is an omnivore. Say that. Fox is an omnivore. What is omnivore? They eat plants. They also eat meat. Okay. Fox is an omnivore. Yes. It slightly resembles a dog. It slightly resembles a dog. That's what I'm telling. Muhammad Aidin, look at ma'am. You're talking with your mummy. Look at ma'am. Look at the camera. Yes. Say that. It slightly resembles a dog. Say that. Slightly resembles a dog. Now, it lives in a den or cave. Where does it live? It lives in a den or cave. Rehat, it lives in a den or cave. Dhananjay, Manha, Ved Pratap, are you repeating? Najam, Anna Evangeline, you're busy writing something. Arnav, sit properly, Kana. Darshik, are you repeating? Liz Maria, Vedic, Jonah, Arshika, Adna, Tirtha, Harriet, Niveda, Isha, Liz Maria, Ahlam, Rida Mariam, Nirda Mariam, Anthony Naiju, Andrea, Henna, Aidin, Anna Evangeline, Gauri Krishna, Basil, Aitana, turn on your video, Rasha Rashid, Jonah Paul, Aaron, Arnav Pillai, Richard Mamberling. You are waiting to me to call the name? Theta, are you ready? Shall we say? Here we go. Let's repeat after me. Okay. Now, let's speak about bear. Bear is an omnivore. What animal is bear? Bear is an omnivore animal. Yes. Now, what is the sound he makes? He makes the growling sound. It growl. Say that. It growl. And live in a den or cave. Bear lives in a den or cave. Okay. Young one is called cub. Say that. Young one is called cub. Young one is called cub. Okay, so about these two animals you will learn today. Got it? And sing that song for your mummy, teddy bear, teddy bear. Okay, now we are going to the letter of the day. Are you ready for the letter of the day? Yes. So what is this letter you see here on the screen? All my children, what's the letter you see? Letter B. 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 B for ball. B for banana. B for, we learnt a new animal, bear. Yes, he's an omnivore animal. So B for ball, B for banana, B for bear. Okay? B for ball, B for banana, and B for bear. Got it? Yes. Now let's write B. Parents, I will be showing B. After that, we are going to make it and arrange it in order. Since we have learned the alphabets, the first 5 alphabets have come in order, I want to teach them the sequencing order, like the order, A, B, C, D, E. Till that, we are going to write today because they have learned those alphabets, right? So slowly when we complete the alphabets, it will be easy for them to make it in order. That's why I'm doing it. So I will show them the B, let them write B. After that, ask your children to watch the screen for writing the letters in order, okay? So sharing my screen, everyone. Here we go, children, everybody. Let's do it together, okay? Start, see here, watch the screen first, then we will write it together. You have to start from the blue line. Go touch the red line. Okay, start from the blue line, go touch the red line. Turn it like L, how you turn for L. Make a U curve. Okay, don't write now, watch U curve. Now go inside and make a loop. Okay, one more time I'm just showing you. Make a slant. Okay, make a slant and turn it like U curve. Yes, one more time I'm showing you. Make a slant, make a U curve, go inside, make a loop. Go inside, cut it out. That's letter B. Let's do it together. I know you all can do it. Here we go. Start from the blue line, go touch the red line. Who is this child? I'm seeing if everybody is writing. Anna Evangeline, please write. Inside out. Everyone. Okay, write letter B. Start a slant, make turn, U curve, inside out. Make a knot inside out. Okay, this is letter B. Let's write one more time. Make a slant, make a U curve, turn it out. Okay, please write everyone. Parents, can you show me the B if they have written? Tirtha, put it closer, Molo. Tirthada, move your finger. അതൊന്ന് മാറ്റൂ. കാണുന്നില്ല. അല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ ആ ലെറ്ററുമേ പിടിച്ചു. Yes. Yes. കുറച്ചൊന്ന് അടുത്തേക്ക് കാണിക്കോ? മാറിപ്പോയി. The book is ulta. നിങ്ങൾ ബുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ശരിച്ചാ കാണിക്കണം. നേരെ പിടിച്ചിട്ട് നേരെ കാണിക്കൂ. Yes, thank you. Niveda, good. Shivada, good. Tirtha, good. Aldrin, good. Dhananjay, show me. Badri, good. Aldrin, Harriet Paul, yes. Very good, Aldrin, very beautiful. Andrea Babu, beautiful B. Anthony Babu, Naiju, show me. Andrea, good. Henna, beautiful. Mohammad Aidin, good. Rehat, very nice, Rehat. Very lovely B. Ved Pratap, very beautiful. Mohammad Syed, Monu Kaniche. Aaron P. Lijo, show me. Arnav Pillai, show me your B. Yes. Aaron, very nice B. Anna Evangeline, show me. Arshika, very beautiful. Jonah, very good. Richard Mamberley, beautiful. Richard, the third one looks like, did you touch it? Let me, can you show? Yes. Don't touch it. Huh? Little gap should be there. Okay. Yes. John Paul, Richard, the first two is correct. I think the third one you have tried to touch it closer. Is it so? That is right. You have written it right, but sometimes it may look like F also. Okay. Okay. Dhananjay, show me closer. Niveda, Darshik, now show me Richard. Correct either. Najam, show me. Najam, parents, please don't get worried. I will check everyone. That's why. I'm trying to see in close. Najam, show me closer, Molu. Najam, mommy, onnu poki pidikko. Onnu chiri uyarthi. Okay. Yes. Some it is glaring because of the light, daylight. Mohammed Syed, yes. Jonah, Ishan, Bibin, Ishan T. Bibin, show me. Jonah Michael, show me. John Paul, show me, Monu. Show me, Monu. Yes, good. Jonah, yes. John Paul, good. Jonah, show me. Yes, thank you. Ishan, show me. Ishan T. Bibin, I didn't see yours. Ishan's mummy, whoever is standing next to him, please show his book. Ishan T. Bibin. Ishan, show me a book. 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 I can see only your head and somebody is arranging the camera. Please show me your book. The book you're writing. He is not showing. Okay. Others, show me the book. Shivada, Sudesh, show me a book. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Vedic, Rasha, Liz Maria, beautiful. Rida Mariam, good. Ahlan, very beautiful. Basil Kuriakos, very good. The other children, let me see. Aitana, do you show? Gauri Krishna, very beautiful. Anna Evangeline, good. Andrea Babu, good. Arnav Pillai. Arnav Pillai, Anchi. Okay, thank you. Put your paper down. Now, let's write it together. Here we go. Everyone, parents, ask your children to watch the screen. We will do it together. Children, now we are going to write it in order. Here we go. Letter A, B, C, D, E. Everyone write the letters. Write with Nancy ma'am. Let's write it together. Letter A, B, C, D, and E. Shall we do it together? Let's see who is writing with ma'am. Let's all write it together. Together, okay? Write A. Finished? Dhananjay, right. Yes. Letter B. Say and write. Good children will say and write. Letter C. All the grown-up children in UKG will say and write. Only the babies will close their mouth. Letter D. Letter E. Okay? Write fast, everyone. Letter A. Letter B. Letter C. D. And E. Okay? Did you all write? I would like to see now. Everyone, All the UKGB, please show me the book. Shivada, very beautiful. Excellent. John Paul, the order, very beautiful. Arnav Pillai, good. Mohammad Aideen, very good. Harriet Paul, very nice. Where is your Andrea Babu, show me? Yes, very nice. Andrea. Aaron, very good. Anthony Naiju, good. Gauri Krishna, good. Risha, good. Sai Krishna, please come with your name, Sai Krishna. It is written Honor 9 in your phone name. That's why I forgot your name. Sai Krishna, now show me the book. Molu, close it. Bring it closer. I'm not able to see. Yes, good. Rida Mariam, good. Basil, yes. Aitana, Ishan Bibin, finished. Jonna Michael, good. Ashika, Niveda Yen, Richard Mambali, good. Henna, good. Anna, yes. Rasha Rashid, yes. Adna Sunil, very beautiful. Excellent, Adna. Rasha Rashid, Vedic Vinod, Liz Maria, good. Vedic, yes. Okay, parents. So that's all for today. Yes, Rehet, good. Mohammad Syed, Badri, Alrin, Ved Pratap, Najam, Darshak, Tirtha, Dhananjay, good. Jonah, Joshi, yes. Anna, Aaron, Anthony Naiju is not writing. Where is Anthony Naiju's book? Anthony Naiju, show me a book. There are two. Yes, Anthony. Good. Okay, thank you. Anna Evangeline, you draw a house. Where is your ABCDE? I saw your house on the other side. Yes, thank you. Okay, parents, that's all for today. We are winding up the session. There is no numbers today. They have to orally learn the numbers. You can keep recalling the numbers orally 1 to 30. Okay. So today, the children, you will be writing the letter B and the order of letters from A to E. Then you will be doing orally learn the bear and the fox. That's all for today. Okay. So all stand up. Say thank you, ma'am. Yes, UKGB. See you all in the next session. See you all. Bye-bye.